Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can download Dev C++ in Windows machine. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Dev C++ download and hit enter. Just go to the first link and click on download. It will start downloading in 5 seconds. Okay, now it's start downloading. Just wait for some time. It will download, then we will continue. After downloading this file, just open this and double click on it. It will start downloading. Just click on yes, and after that it will start downloading. Now click English by default, click OK and accept the agreement and click on next. This is the program file destination. Here your all the program will store. Just click on install. Now it will take some time to install. After installation complete, just finish it. It will run automatically. This is our program. Just click on next, next and OK. Now it will appear a welcome page. This is here you can create a file and just open a new project and just code your C++ program. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.